If you've inherited a house in Elmore, Ohio, or if you have a house in Elmore, Ohio that's going through a probate process, this video is for you. My name is Dave Payerchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in and around Elmore, Ohio, and we understand if you've inherited the property, this could be confusing for you. There can be paperwork involved and attorneys involved and the court involved. So first and foremost, I'll just get it out there for you. The last thing we ever want to do is create more stress for you. We want to keep it simple. In fact, one of our core values as a company is KISS. It's keep it super simple, because we already know you got enough on your plate, and we're going to make this easy for you. From the very first phone call all the way up until the closing table, when you get your money, it's going to be easy. And the way we keep it easy and how we keep it easy is we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. So that means you don't have to fix anything. You don't got to hire anybody to fix things. You don't need to clean. You don't need to haul anything away. You basically can take anything that you want out of the house and just your family stuff, family memories, and please take that. Anything that you just don't want or don't need, you can just leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. And what allows us to buy properties in their as-is condition is we actually pay cash. So we're not relying on some third-party lender. We're not relying on a mortgage company to approve like a traditional buyer typically works with that type of lender. That's not us at all. And typically with a traditional buyer, they have a real estate agent too, and they're going to expect you to pay commissions, and that's just money that comes right out of your pocket. It's unnecessary. You can sell to a direct buyer for a fair price who's going to pay cash, who's not relying on some third-party mortgage company, because you know what they do. They're going to send through an inspector, they're going to nitpick the property, and then they're going to send their appraiser out, and hopefully the appraisal comes back, and you're waiting and hoping. There's no hope. You're going to get certainty with us. So another thing is you're going to pick your own closing date. We can close on the date of your choice because we're not relying on any third party for approval. So if you want or if you need to close quickly, we absolutely could accommodate that. Or if you want or need flexibility and we want to set a future date, we can accommodate your needs that way as well. So if you have inherited a house in Elmore, Ohio, or if you have a house in Elmore and you're going through a probate process, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Yes, it says Columbus in the website name. That's just because we were founded in Columbus, Ohio, but we're very active in Elmore, Ohio, and all of Toledo, all of the great state of Ohio. We're locals. This isn't some foreign call center in some foreign land who's trying to talk to you about your property. We are going to treat you like a neighbor, as you deserve to be treated. We're going to be very fair. And when we get on the phone with you, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about the timeline that you're looking to work with and timeline that you're looking to close with. And then we're going to make you a fair cash offer on the house. If our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward and keep it simple for you. If our offer does not work for you, that's okay too. No crime, no foul. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. We're never going to add pressure or have sales tactics and gimmicks and things like that. So once again, our phone number is 614-300-5151, and our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. We buy inherited houses in Elmore, Ohio, and we buy probate houses in Elmore, Ohio. My name is Dave Payerchin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.